Hello everyone, I am your Deepak. I welcome you all to your YouTube channel Excellent Academy. In this session, I am going to explain you how to do squaring of a number from 1 to 100 just like a robot. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, let us go. See, in this session, I am going to explain you how to do squaring of any two-digit number from 1 to 100. Okay, now please observe. I am going to explain you how to do squaring of a number ending with 1. I am showing you how to do squaring of a number ending with now 1. Okay, please observe very carefully. See the units place, it is 1. What is 1 square? 1. Okay, then double the 1. If you double 1, it will become 2. 2 into 1 is what? 2. And what is in tens place? 1. You square it, it is 1. So answer for this is 121. Similarly observe here. What is in unit place? 1. 1 square is 1. Okay, second step. You double the 1, it will become 2. 2 into 2 is what? 4. Okay, then you square the tens place. 2 square is what? 4. The answer is 441. Similarly here. The nth digit is what? 1. Square it, it will become 1 square is 1 only. You double your 1, it will become 2. 2 into 3 is 6. Then square of 3, 3 square, 9. Similarly 1 square, 1. Double your 1, it will become 2. 2 into 4 is 8. Then 4 square is what? 16. Similarly here 1 square is 1. Double your 1, it will become 2. 2 into 5 is 10. Write the end digit only. In the 10, end digit is 1, carry is 1. 5 square 25 plus 1 26. The answer is 2601. Similarly here 1 square is 1. Double your 1, it will become 2. 2 into 6 is 12. Okay, carry is 1. 6 square is 36 plus 1 is 37. See how quickly and accurately I did how to do squaring of a number ending with 1. Similarly, I will show you how to do squaring of a number ending with 2. Okay, so you can apply for any numbers which are ending with 2. Okay, I have showed you how to do squaring of a number ending with 1 two-digit number. Okay, now similarly two-digit number but ending with the 2 squaring I am going to show you. 22 square, 52 square, 82 square, 42 square, 92 square I will show you. 2 square 4. Double your 2 it will become 4. Double your 2 it will become 4. 4 into 1 is 4. Okay, what is in tens place? 1. 1 square is 1. Similarly here 2 square 4. Double your 2 it will become 4. 4 into 2 is 8. 2 square is 4. Similarly here 2 square 4. Double your 2 it will become 4. 5 fours is what? 20. Carry is 2. 5 square 25 plus 2 is 27. Similarly here 2 square 4. Double your 2 it will become 4. 8 fours is 32. Carry is 3. Okay, then 8 square is 64. 64 plus 3 is 67. Now similarly here 2 square 4. Double your 2 it will become 4. 4 into 4 is 16. Carry is 1. Okay, then 4 square is 16 plus 1 is 17. The answer is this much. 2 square 4. Double your 2 it will become 4. 9 fours 36. Carry is 3. Okay, 9 square 81 plus 3 is 84. The answer is 8464. Hope you have understood how to do squaring of a number ending with 2. These are all two-digit number. Okay, done. Next I will show you how to do squaring of a number ending with 3. Ending with 3. Okay. Similarly, the same technique you can apply. Please don't skip any part of my video. Go through the complete video. There are so many tricks here. If you skip the video, you are the loser. I am not. Okay. Now here 3 square 9. Double your 3. I am telling double your 3. Don't do square now. 3 double is 6. 6 into 1 is 6. 1 square is 1 only. Now 3 square 9. After you writing square, double your 3. If you double your 3, it will become 6. 6 2 is what? 12. Carry is 1. 2 square 4 plus 1 5. 529. Similarly here 3 square 9. Double your 3. If you double your 3, it will become 6. 6 3 is 18. Carry 1. Okay. 3 square 9 plus 1 10. Similarly here 3 square 9. Double your 3. If you double your 3, it will become 6. 6 4 is 24. Carry 2. Okay. Now 4 square 16. 16 plus 2 is 18. Similarly here 3 square 9. Double your 3. 6. 6 4 8. 6 8 is 48. 4 is carry. 8 square is 64 plus 4 68. 3 square 9, double your 3, it will become 6. 6 9s is 54, carry 5, 9 square 81, 81 plus 5, 86. The answer is 8649. Okay, so hope you have understood. Let me go show you how to do squaring of a number ending with 4. Ending with 4. Please, again I am saying, don't skip the video. Okay, so there are another few more logic behind this. If you skip, you are going to miss that. Okay, now 4 square is 16. Okay, right, only 6, 1 is the carry. 4 square is 16, 6, 1 carry. Then double your 4, it will become 8. 8 into 1 is 8 plus 1, 9. Okay, then 1 square. See, 14 square is 1. This is square I am finding. Okay, now 4 square 16, carry 1. Okay, double your 4, 8. 8 2s are 16 plus 1, 17. Carry banditala. Okay, like it. So 4 square is 16, 6 with carry 1. Double your 4, that is 8. 8 2s is 16 plus 1 is 17 now. 7 carry 1. 2 square 4 plus 1, 5. Similarly, here 4 square 16 carry is 1. Okay, double your 4, it will become 8. 8 3 is 24 plus 1 is 25. Carry 2. 3 square 9 plus 2 is 11. 4 square 16 carry 1. Double your 4, it will become 8. 8 4 is 32 plus 1, 33. Carry is 3. Okay, 4 square 16 plus 3, 19. See, next 4 square is 16, carry 1. Double your 4, it is 8. 8 5 is 40, 41. Carry is 4. Okay, 5 square 25, 25 plus 4 is 29. Similarly, 4 square 16, carry 1. Double your 4, it will become 8. 8 6 is 48 plus 1 is 49. Carry is 4. Okay, 6 square 36 plus 4 is 40. See how quickly and accurately I am doing. See, this is how you can do squaring of a 2-digit number ending with 4. Now, for the 5, for the number ending with 5, the technique is little bit different. Okay, please observe very carefully. It is easy also. Okay, but technique is little bit different. It is different than what you have learned so far. That's why I told you do not to skip the video. Okay, so please observe now. Now, I am finding squaring of a numbers ending with 5. Squaring of a numbers ending with 5 now. What is 5 square? 25. Don't write any carry, write 25 as it is. Okay, don't write any carry, just write 25. This is only for a number ending with 5. Then, what is the next number of 1? 2. Okay, what is the next number? Will come in numerical system. 2. 2 into 1 is 2. Write this. That's your answer. 5 square, 25. What is the next number of 2? 3. 3 2s is what? 6. Next, 5 square, 25. What is the next number of 3? 4. 4 3s is what? 12. Okay, similarly 5 square 25. Next number is what? 5. 5 4s 20. Okay, next 5 square 25. Next number is what? 6. 6 5 is what? 30. Here 5 square 25. Next number is 7. 6 7 is what? 42. Here 5 square 25. Next number is 10. 10 9 is what? 90. See how quickly and accurately I am doing squaring of a number ending with 5. This technique is applicable only for number ending with 5. Okay, so previously I showed you how to do squaring of a number ending with 1, 2, 3, 4. That up to 4 one technique, for 5 different technique. Now for 6 and above one more technique is there. Please observe now. Okay, hence I told you not to skip the videos. Hope you have understood how to do squaring of a number ending with 5. Now I will show you how to do a number, squaring of a number ending with 6 now. Now 6, 7, 8, 9, one technique. 6, 7, 8, 9, one technique now. Please observe. 6 square is 36. Write 6, 3 is carry. Okay. 6 square is 36, 3 is carry. Then double your 6. If you double your 6, what will be that? 12. 6, if you double, it will become what? 12. What is the end digit in your 12? 2, right? In your 12, okay, the unit place is what? 2. Remember only 2. 2 into 1 is what? 2. Plus 3 is 5. Okay, then what is the next number of 1? 2. 2 into 1 is 2. The answer is 256. Okay, observe next question now. 6 square 36. 6 carry is 3. Double your 6, it will become 12. What is the unit place in your 12? 2. 2 into 2, 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. What is the next number of 2? 3. 3 2s is what? 6. Okay, similarly here. 6 square 36, carry 3. Double over 6, 12. Unit place is 2. 2 into 3 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. Next number is 4. 4 3s is what? 12. That's my answer. 6 square 36, carry 3. Okay, now double over 6, it becomes 12. Unit place 2. 2 into 4, 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. Carry 1. Okay, next number is what? 5. 5 4 is 20 plus 1, 21. Similarly here, 6 square is 36, 3 is the carry. Double over 6, it will become 12. Unit place is 2. 2 into 5 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. Carry 1. Okay, next number is what? 6. 6 5s are 30 plus 1, 31. That's my answer. Next, 6 square 36, carry 3. Double over 6, it will become 12. Unit place 2. 6 into 2 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. Carry 1. Okay, next number is what? 7. 6 7s is 42 plus 1, 43. The answer is 4356. Hope you have understood. See, for a numbers ending with 1, 2, 3, 4, one technique you have to apply. For 5, another technique. Now for 6, 7, 8, 9, one technique. So we have to learn 3 techniques to do squaring of any 2-digit number. Okay, so instantly and accurately. Now, I am going to explain you how to do squaring of a number ending with 7. Ending with 7. Similarly, you can apply as the same technique as of 6. Okay. Now 6, 7, 8, 9 are one technique now. See here. 7 square is 49. Carry is 4. Double over 7, it will become 14. Unit place is what? 4. 4 into 1 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. Okay. Then what is the next number? 2. 2 into 1 is 2. Similarly here, 7 square 49, 4 is the carry, double over 7, 14, unit place 4, 4 2s is 8, 8 plus 4 is 12, carry is 1. Next number is 3, 3 2s is 6 plus 1 is 7. Similarly here, 7 square is 49, 4 is the carry, okay, done. Double over 7 it will become 14, unit place 4, 4 3s is 12, 12 plus 4 is 16, carry is 1. Next number is 4, 4 3s are 12 plus 1 is 13. 7 square 49, 4 is the carry. Okay, double over 7, 14, unit place 4, 4 4 16, 16 plus 4 20, carry is 2. Next number is 5, 5 4 is 20 plus 2 is 22. Similarly here 7 square is 49, 4 is the carry. 7 double, if you make 7 double it will become 14, unit place 4, 5 4 is 20 plus 4 24, carry is 2. Next number is 6, 6 5 is 30, 30 plus 2 is 32. 7 square 49, okay, so end digit is 4. 9 and the carry is 4. Double over 7, its unit place is, if you double over 7, you will get 14, unit place is 4. 4 9s is 36. 36 plus 4 is 40. 4 is the carry again. Okay, done. Next number is 10. 10 9s is 90. 90 plus 4 is 94. See here? 7 square 49, 4 carry. Double over 7 it will become 14. Unit place 4. 9 4 is 36 plus 4 is 40. 0 4 carry. Next number is 10. 10 9 90 plus 4 is 94. See how quickly I did. Now I will show you similarly for a number ending with 8. The same technique you can apply. I will show you 3 numbers. Remaining 3 I will give assignment. Only these 3 numbers I will give. Okay, I will show you. 8 square 64. Okay, 4 6 is the carry. Double over 8 it will become 16. End digit is 6. Okay, in your 16 what is end digit? 6. 6 into 1 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. Carry 1. Here next number is 2. 2 into 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. Similarly here 8 square is 64. Carry is 6. Double over 8 it will become 16. End digit is 6. 6 2s is 12. 12 plus 6 is 18. Carry 1. Next digit is 3. 3 2s is 6 plus 1 is 7. Here 8 square is 64. Carry is 6. Double over 8 it will become 16. End digit is 6. 6 3s is 18. 18 plus 6 is 24. Carry is 2. Next number is 4. 4 3s is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. See how quickly I did. For these 3 I will give assignment. You can do it on your own. Okay, now I will show you how to do squaring of a number ending with 9. The same technique. The same technique now you can apply. 9 square is 81, carry is 8. If you double over 9 it will become 18. Unit place is 8. 8 into 1 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. Carry 1. Next number is 2. 2 into 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. Here 8 square is 9 square is 81 1. Okay, so 8 carry. Double over 9 it will become 18. Unit place 8. 8 2s is 16. 16 plus 8 is 24. 2 carry. Next number is 3. 3 2s is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. Okay, now similarly, 9 square 81, 8 is the carry, double over 9 it will become 18, unit place is what, 8, 8 3 is the 24, 24 plus 8 is what, 32, carry 3, next number is 4, 4 3 is 12, 12 plus 3 is 15. See, this is how you can do squaring of a number ending with 9. So these three will be assignment for you, you can do it on your own. Hope you have understood how to do squaring of a number from 1 to 100 instantly. Okay, see how quickly and accurately I am doing. See, this is the power of Vedic mathematics. Only through practice and only through understanding the logic you can become human calculators. With this, I am ending this session. Okay, so if you have any doubts, please feel free to ask me. Okay, if you have not still subscribed my channel, subscribe right now and don't forget to click on the bell button. Okay, if you like my videos, like them and share them. Thank you.